Eric with Bertello here, and I want to show Mr. Wonderful this all-new, top-secret Bertello outdoor pizza oven.
Now, ever since I met Eric on set of Shark Tank, I've been a huge fan of Bertello because I love pizzas. But one of the biggest challenges in cooking a pie is rotating it, because people just don't understand how fast they cook inside of Bertello. So you really got to get in the groove, turning that pie every 30 seconds, sometimes 20, sometimes 15 seconds, depending how hot it is. Problem solved, Eric. I noticed this thing rotating.
It does rotate.
So what's the deal?
Okay, so this rotates. We have a patent on the ability to use gas plus wood at the same time.
Which I do all the time, because that's how you get that smoky flavor into the dough.
Every other pizza on the market, you have to either use gas or wood separately, not combined, and that's what our utility patent is for.
Can you imagine what a hassle it is using wood to heat it up to 900 degrees? Total pain in the rear end. This thing heats up right away with the gas, and then you throw wood chips in to get that smoke action. It's fantastic. It's the combo, and now patented. Very cool.
And this gas burner goes below the stone. It heats up the stone evenly as it rotates to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Separately, there's a second gas burner you can control independently that shoots a flame across the top of the pizza oven and cooks the top of the pizza if you want to do gas only. If you want to do gas plus wood, turn this off, add the wood to the back, and you have the authentic wood-fired flavor, that smoky flavor that everybody's looking for.
So think about it as a version 2.0 Bertello. I gotta have one for sure because I love the rotation. That's fantastic. Makes the perfect pie every time. It's so cool. And we've sold thousands of these. It's one of the most successful Shark Tank companies in a long time. And a great product. It's growing because it works. And now this innovation, Chihuahua caramba. This is fantastic. What do you think the price point's gonna be?
Somewhere between $4.99 to $5.99.
Well worth it if you're making a perfect pie with friends and neighbors. You prepare your pies, you slide them in, a couple of minutes later they're ready, piping hot, boom. Another one goes in, rotates, another one comes out. Perfect.
It's so easy. My mom, who's never made a pizza in her life before, threw one in here, came out perfectly. Leopard spotting around the crust.
It's great. All right, check this out as it comes to market. From Bertello, something fantastic. What are you calling this puppy?
Bertello 16-inch.
I call it rotating 16-inch. There's nothing better than a rotating pie. Thanks, everybody. We'll be checking in soon. Watch for this product. It's going to be literally smoking hot.
All right.
Thank
you, man.
Great.